Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video we'll get into how to duplicate text, modules, and avoid extra formatting work by taking an already formatted module, duplicating it, and moving it to another place. So one perfect application for that is going to be on this page on the St. Mel website. Happens to be the staff page, and we're going to go ahead and take some existing text and put it underneath this new profile picture. So once we're ready to go, we're going to click Enable Visual Builder to access the Visual Builder, and we can then start the process. So first, once we're in the builder, we'll go ahead and simply select some of the text. We want to put the name under the profile and make it formatted exactly the same as the other profiles here. So we're going to go ahead and hover over this module once we've selected it. So you can click to select it, have the toolbar pop up, and then go ahead and duplicate it. We'll grab the duplicate by hovering over the Move Module icon and then drag it over to under the profile here. Now you may realize there is a space underneath. So typically the reason for that is because there's spacing below the image. So what we can do, one easy way, is to copy the formatting from the other image. So you can right click on the settings icon on the toolbar, which appears when you hover over the image. So click on the image, right click on the module settings, copy module styles, and then we'll click on the module we want to apply it to, right click on the settings module, and then paste module styles, and you can see it applies the exact padding as the other one. This can be applied to any of the two same types of modules. So if you have something that's formatted differently and you want to copy the styling and formatting from one module that's the same to another module that is the same type of module, you can do this. Next, we're going to duplicate the toggle here, which is used for the bios. And once we've duplicated it, we'll drag it over to its location underneath the text. Finally, we're going to go ahead and change this text and to match the name of the person, their title, and their email. So the way we do this, we'll just highlight the text that we have here and start typing it in like so. Okay, and the title is Math Teacher and Inclusion. And the email address, we can go ahead and, for the email address, because it's a highlighted link, the easiest way to change it without editing code in the text module, which you could also do, but the easiest way to do it in the visual tab here within the text settings is to click on the actual email, click Insert Edit Link on the toolbar, and then go ahead and put in the correct email address. At stmel.org. Alright, once you've typed that out or pasted it in, you can also paste it in right after the colon in mail to. Mail to means that's the HTML that allows people to click on the link and automatically have it open their mail program, such as Apple Mail or Outlook or whatever the case may be, and it will allow them to then email the person that way. So we can see now we've got all the correct information here. We could click the green check mark to save changes, and then we're going to go ahead and edit that toggle module that we just duplicated. Click on the select it and then click on the settings icon, and we're going to edit this. Miss de Carteret. And everything else is going to stay the same. If you want to put a bio in here, you would simply paste the bio into this section. For now, we're going to put some placeholder text that says coming soon. Click the green check mark. And finally, we're going to go ahead and click on the purple button with the 3 horizontal white dots and click the green save button to save and publish the changes. So we have one more item to fix here, and this is an example of how you can edit some existing text. So we're going to look for Meg Burns. You can actually use the search function in the browser to find a particular name. There we go. So Meg Burns. And we're going to click and check the module settings here. And if we want to actually link this, then we can go ahead and simply highlight the text, click Insert Edit Link, and what we're going to do is very similar to what we just did. Mail to : and then put the person's email address. And click OK. Click the check mark. And this would apply for any type of link. You would use that Insert Edit Link function. So with that, we are all set to go. Save and publish your changes and click Exit Visual Builder. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to Gradelink website support.